are the bucket list family.
Garrett, Jessica, Dorothy, Manila, and Callahan.
A few years ago, we sold everything to travel the world.
And now we're setting out on our biggest adventure yet.
Home.
Marker clapper.
Open clapper.
Hi guys, welcome to the season finale of Traveling Home. Makes me sad to even say that.
This is the end of the road with this
Oh
house.
my goodness, we have done every single room in this house except for the biggest room in the house, which is the living and dining room. It takes up almost the entire upper floor. When we first saw the house, you would walk into the front door and immediately in front of you was kind of like a sitting area, and to the left was this weird like open bedroom idea.
Yeah.
And a closet in between dividing another open bedroom, and then a little bit of a bathroom off into the nook area.
And we really wanted it to be somewhere the G's could have a little space to run around, enjoy this view most of all,
Yeah.
and just feel like they're in a more bright open house.
Yeah, so this room this week is inspired by the world and the G's absolute love of travel and people and culture. So we want to keep the room very bright and open. The first decision we had to make was to take the closets out that divide the two bedrooms and that bathroom. And we're making that all one big open space. We're gonna make this adorable nook. I'm gonna call it like Turtle Tower or something, because it's basically gonna be overlooking the ocean where they can see turtles all the time.
It blew us away how much it changed and brightened up just by opening up that space.
And I saw those big arched openings. I'm like, oh my gosh, we have to get some of the old wood that we had taken out of the house and put like a little touch of the old house back in on the new walls.
I forgot, that was the first thing when we walked
Literally
into the house.
first thing.
You said, we have some wood, we're gonna bring it back in and put it in these doorways.
So we've got the two arched openings, and then we have the little arched opening into Turtle Tower.
And that's beautiful, amazing, historic hardwood that was in the house originally, and now we're gonna be able to enjoy it, and all their guests will be able to see it.
So it was really fun going on Wayfair and deciding, okay, how am I gonna divide the space? I picked a beautiful sectional. It's like faux leather, so that when they sit on it with wet towels, it's not gonna get ruined. And then we have amazing chairs that kind of look a little bit African inspired. I have picked a crazy wallpaper for the dining room. You saw it, right?
I'm excited to see how it looks. I mean, I know that you've made some crazy wallpaper choices before, but they always turn out really cool.
I just think wallpaper is cool. There's no like major commitment to it. It is expensive, but like if you hate it in 5 years, 2 years, you can change it. And I think that's really cool. We're so pumped to start seeing all this furniture come in. And now that construction is kind of wrapping up, it's gonna be fun to get it all together and get ready for the G's.
Your flight attendant call button and 300 control are located on the panel just above you, and our aircraft is equipped with a
We're
seat.
tired.
Lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Federal regulations prohibit the tampering with,
We're traveling
disabling,
home.
or destroying of any installed detectors.
You guys, everything is really coming together. We've been getting the wallpaper installed. Fraser is, again, an
Working his
amazing
magic.
person. It just transforms the space. I picked a crazy wallpaper, like flocked, velvety, Brazilian carnival meets, I don't know.
Birds.
Like birds and colorful Mexico. Like, I just feel like it feels very colorful.
Very
and
world,
fun.
very world.
I don't know if they would have chosen that on their own.
Oh, I don't think they would have, but I bet they'll like it.
I think they'll like it. We're pairing that with a beautiful crystal chandelier. So
Always, we can't help it, guys. You know
there's
us.
something crystal.
We always put crystal chandeliers in.
Yeah, I think it's really cool to see that in this kind of house, because it kind of, again, reminds us of that like British like travel adventure, and that's something that the G said they really liked. So I went for it. We've got a lot of beautiful furniture to unpack, get in the space, and basically get ready for the most adorable family of all time to come home to.
Doing this house for the G's has been so much fun.
Yeah.
We've never done a project like this where we're getting live inspiration from around the world. I don't think anyone's
has
done
anybody
a project
done a
like this.
that? It's crazy.
But it's been so much fun with all of you giving your input and your support, and we really, it's taken a lot of people to get to this point, and I can't believe it's almost over.
Well, if you guys remember the kitchen where it started, by the way, The fridge, as you know, has arrived. We've put it in the kitchen. The tile got here for the backsplash. We've got the tile for the master bathroom. The bathroom is getting wrapped up.
And everything we promised you in the finale
It's finished. Do you remember when we started, the master bedroom was just like low ceilings, dark. The kids' room was tiny. The guest room was a kitchen.
And that downstairs bathroom has undergone such an amazing transformation into a dream
Cement
bathroom.
and everything. This whole house is really just taking on a new life, and it's ready for them. It's ready to have a family.
It's just so nice, and I can't wait for the nicest family I know to live in one of the nicest houses I know.
Yeah.
It's a merging of niceness.
It's gross.
That was weird.
Is it?
Felt it.
3, 2. Hey Jess, where are we going?
Traveling home.
Has there ever been a more beautiful living dining room? Maybe. I don't know. Nothing I've ever done.
Maybe.
That is, guys,
Debatable.
we're all finished. It was seriously a mad dash to get it all in.
Man,
And the whole
sweats.
time I'm just like, are they gonna like it? Like, this is the moment we have been waiting for 8 weeks. Honestly, it's 3 months in the making. And it is just so exciting. Today we're gonna go to the airport and pick them up. I miss them more than I'm excited to show them the house.
Yeah.
Like,
it really means a lot to us that they've trusted us with this project.
we tried to do our very best work for them, and I think that we did, with the help of Wayfair, with the help of Vivint. Like, I really feel like we've been able to make not only a beautiful home, a smart home, a safe home. Like, I'm proud of it.
I'm pretty excited to show them all the features. They're gonna be blown away.
We've made this little game area off to the left where
Yeah.
we put some of the kids' games and things like that. I'm hoping when they get here, the first thing they do is like rip open the games and start playing and hanging out.
Because we don't have to clean it up because it's their house now.
Well, I made it so that it was easy for them to organize. I've got little baskets
Yeah.
everywhere.
It'll
like,
be easy.
I really think there's a lot of storage for a little house. There's a lot of storage. Not to mention that they're minimalist, but like for minimalist, this is a lot of storage. We did these amazing large-scale prints. We wanted something that
Yeah.
would look so good against the wallpaper because it's crazy. And we did this antique, like Hawaiian surfing. I only had to censor it the tiniest bit. I put a starfish on somebody. I did. I think it looks so good against the wallpaper. And then I found this other cool, like vintage Hawaiian, like local people collecting pineapples, coconuts.
Yeah.
Coconuts. I've
It's
been here for like a long time. You think I would know?
We didn't decorate this house with a lot of Hawaiian stuff, but it definitely, in that room, you know where you are.
Yeah, absolutely. I didn't want to like theme the house beachy coastal. I really wanted to feel world traveled. And I think that this room, especially this room, feels very world traveled.
We finally got to uncover these amazing brand new Ep.8 hardwood floors.
Yeah.
And they are just as cool as we thought they would be.
Maybe cooler.
Maybe cooler.
Yeah.
I didn't expect the reds.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of red
There's
in
a
it.
lot of red.
A lot
and
of
it's-
beautiful red.
It's colors that seem very classic and natural, but yet very exciting and new.
We added these curtains because we wanted that extra pop of color. The
Yeah.
walls are just a beautiful gray plaster finish, and we thought, let's add a little bit of color. If you'll notice, throughout the room, you'll see little pops of red, blue, and green.
Yeah.
That's like a little sneaky way of getting their, like the Bucket List family logo colors, and I thought that they might like that. I don't even know if they'll notice, but
It's subtle, but it's there for sure.
yeah, like I've got a green rug, a red rug, and I did navy pillows or like green pillows. I love them. Like I really love them. And I want them to walk in and feel like, I don't know what it is, but this feels like home. I'm so happy with it.
Yeah.
Like I can't imagine it being any other way now. Now seeing it finished, seeing the whole house finished. The whole house is finished.
It's done.
No more rooms.
That's it. You know, sometimes you'll
That
see.
literally just hit me that the house is done.
Yeah, it's finished. Over.
All right, guys, it is time to go pick them up from the airport. All the feels.
This is it. Are you nervous?
No,
I'm not. I'm actually not nervous.
you're not?
No, not about.
I am beyond nervous.
I'm excited.
I have to pee. I'm so nervous.
The nervous peas. It's a real thing.
My home's only for the night. Waking up in different places. You wrap me up, let me inside. You're forever my oasis. My heart is home with you. My heart is home with you.
You guys remember this is what it was before?
Yeah. This is what your house looked like
And we've
before.
made it brand new just for you guys.
So, growing up, I only moved one time in my life. And I remember my dad told me, I was super young, and my dad told me, I want you to remember this opportunity because it's a rare experience for someone to go into a house that's brand new, that is theirs. So remember that, kids, because this is a special moment. All right, sorry. Let's do.
All right, here we go.
Okay, real loud, count to 3.
1, 2, 3.
Weird. We're home. I don't even know how to start because I'm so happy.
We're home! We're home! Everything just exceeded every expectation.
You guys did
I
good.
can't even.
Really,
I
really
can't even.
good.
When all else fails, you're by my side. Then tomorrow I can face it. When I stop running from my
I feel like we are too boring to take this risk, but it's perfect.
My heart is home with you. My heart is home with you. As long as
Just crying a little. It's fine. Everything is fine.
All right, Jess, you ready for the kitchen?
Yeah, I'm so stoked. Okay. Oh, this is like mind-blowing different than what it was. Holy cow. Oh my goodness.
Dorothy, you remember those from Tanzania? That makes me so happy to see.
So good.
I think the kids loved everything. Like,
Well, they took to the room immediately, sitting on the different beds, walking
Climbing up their
around.
top
Yeah.
rung.
Dorothy, you took those pictures.
Oh, they're from her camera. Oh my goodness.
Are you crying or do you have something in your throat?
How fun is that? It's still processing because we've never, for the past 3 years, we've been place to place to place every single week. So
Babe. This is when magic happens.
Your lights, just so you know.
oh yeah. This is not the big bathtub, by the way.
wow.
With the bathtub.
I did it.
This is legit plunge pool status.
Yeah, I tried to get it as close to plunge pool as we could get it.
I hear there was quite the struggles with the bathtub, and I just want to say yes. Thank you.
You
I
will
want to
see.
say thank
The things we did for that bathtub, I'm proud of some, less proud of others, but yeah.
you. Jess, this room is proof that when you listen to my crazy ideas, this is the magic that happens.
Garrett's gonna be sitting at the bottom of that tub, just holding his breath. In his
You'll have to
little
like
speedo.
check on him. We need to put a little heart rate monitor and put that with your smart home system. Just-
Put one of the cans, I'll make it waterproof.
underwater.
Oh my gosh, yes,
That's
that's
a great idea.
what.
That could get weird.
So all your cameras are here.
Yeah.
Your front door, that's where we've been talking. Okay, and then here's your front door watch. How about? You can hear it.
Jess, we have a smart house.
Surfboard lights.
You have a really smart house. Like, legit.
There's like 100 use cases for all of
I
these.
told you this.
The minis and the Google Homes work the same, but like you could be laying in bed and say, hey Google, turn off all my lights and lock my front door.
You got it. Turning off 3 lights. Okay, locking the front door lock.
Jess, okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have smart home day when we try to not get out of bed and just do as much as possible.
The more we're here, the longer we spend,
We just fall in love with the house.
yeah, and
I
everything
think your
about
greatest
it.
challenge was you made something that was beautiful, but the hard challenge was making something that would feel like home to us.
Yes.
And you did that just perfectly.
Oh, well,
the fact
you
that we
guys-
walked in immediately like fell in love with how it looks, but
Yeah.
also fell in love with how it felt. This is my dreamland in here.
Well, and I feel like you left enough space for us to put what we want to
Yeah.
into it, you know?
Exactly.
You have a lot more travels ahead of you. Like you have a lot to fill.
We're so grateful for everything you did to
Well,
give us this home.
Thank you for trusting us. I just
Yeah.
want to say that I know it can seem glamorous to other people that you travel the world and you see beautiful things, but I just want to acknowledge to you that I know how hard you work and I know the effort that you put into what you do, and sorry, here it goes. I'm proud of you guys, and I'm proud of what you did over the last 3 years, and you deserve this, and thank you for letting us be here.
Well, I know this was not an easy project. I know
No,
it was headache after headache and stress.
100%.
And on an island, like we are eternally grateful for you. And
Our pleasure.
there is a Tanzanian bedroom open at any time.
Okay, well, I will take you up on that, and thank you so much. Oh my
Love you. I really love you.
We have a really close friend. Her name is Jennifer Gracie. Her great-great-grandfather founded a company called Gracie Studios. She wanted to give you guys, because she's such big fans, BFF gifts, matching hand-painted Gracie panels. They go right here, one for you and one for us, and they match together, and you'll have one in your home, one in ours. All right, guys, no cheesy farewell, because we will see you like every month, once a month.
We're not saying goodbye. We're saying see you in a little bit.
This is hugs. Big family hugs.
You guys are the best. That's it, guys. That, and yeah.
That was the show.
Thank you so much for coming on this journey with us. That's lame to say, but it has been a journey, and you guys have been a huge part of it. And we love all of you, and we love how much you love the G's. We love them too, and so proud of this house and proud of them for what they've done.
It's been a lot of work, and there have been so many people involved, and we couldn't have done it without all of them,
Everybody here.
including the G's. So it's really been a group effort. I'm proud of all of us.
Yeah.
You guys too. Good job.
Seriously, you guys and your positive comments were just so uplifting. So thank you, every single one of you, for watching. We really appreciate it. And of course, we could not end this season without thanking our partners, Wayfair. You have the most beautiful things, and I have filled a whole house with them. Thank you for that support, you guys. I hope that you will shop from Wayfair. They have amazing things. As you know, I'm obsessed with their antique rugs and so many, their giraffe lamp.
Obviously.
So many other things, everything in this house. It's just been beautiful. And of course, a very special thank you to Vivint, who made this whole show possible and allowed us to do a beautiful home for the G's.
And it was so fun for us to show how easy it can be to have a smart and safe home. We use it at our house. It's kept us in touch with our house while we've been gone.
Yeah.
And we really wish everybody would take a chance and check it out. See how easy it is to have a smart and efficient home.
And affordable. It's something that every home should have. So click the link below, or call the 1-800 number, or go to vivint.com/bucketlist, where they have a very special offer just for our favorite people, which is you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna take a long nap, right? At least like take one half day off.
Half a day off.
But don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have more amazing things coming. We have another series coming very soon. You're not gonna want.
What was that?
My
That was a
dear,
whale.
My dear.
That was a dolphin or a whale.
Focus. We're saying goodbye.
Did you see that thing jump?
No? We have another series coming very soon. You're not going to want to miss it. So thank you guys again.
See you soon.
Bye. I did it.
Good
Is
job.
that a wrap?
That's
A real wrap?
That's a real wrap.
Now I can cry?